ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಬಂತು ರಟೋ ರಟೋ, ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬಿಟೋ ಬಿಟೋ.
ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಬಂತು
ರಟೋ ರಟೋ,
ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು
ಬಿಟೋ ಬಿಟೋ.
ಎಳ್ಳು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರಾಯಿತು, ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೋ ಮಾತಾಯಿತು, ಮುತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಮೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಮೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಮಮಥನ ಹಬ್ಬುಗಳು.
ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಬಂತು ರಟೋ ರಟೋ, ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬಿಟೋ ಬಿಟೋ. ಎಳ್ಳು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರಾಯಿತು, ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೋ ಮಾತಾಯಿತು, ಮುತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಮತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಮೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಮನ್ಮಥನ ಅಂಬುಗಳು. ಹದಿನಾರು ದಾಟಿದ ಎಳೆ ಮೈ ಕೇಳಿದ ಚೆಲುವ ಚೆಲುವ ನೀನೇನೋ.
Today we are celebrating Sankaranti in our school, right? So Sankaranti is the harvest festival. Okay, so the first harvest of all the crops and sugarcane are dedicated to sun god. Okay, so they are giving thanksgiving to the sun god. Farmers are giving thanks, okay, to the sun god. So what are the food delicacies for Sankaranti is sweet pongal and payasa and sugar cane. Okay, one of the most important thing is ellu bella. Okay, so ellu bella tindu olle matadi is the Kannada saying. What it is means you have to eat sesame and jaggery and speak good words. Okay, that is the main thing of the festival. And what are the activities happened here? Here we have kite festival. Okay, kites, they'll be flying colorful kites. Okay, and Jallikattu is one of the most important games involved in the Sankaranti festival. And people will do color rangolis in front of their homes. Rangoli competitions will be held. They'll be decorating all the torans in front of their home. Okay, so the decoration is the main important thing, and rangoli competitions are happening.